So this is, I would say the first attempt, is about the third. I've driven into the fence, the sensor's fallen off and all sorts. Anyway, here is my remote wheelchair. I'm using an Arduino Mega and an infrared sensor with that control to control this joystick 3D printed thing to control the wheelchair. It's only on a slow speed at the moment, but the idea is, oh, I'm going to turn that speed down. That's mental speed. Right, for a wheelchair. Anyway, so if I press 2, it kind of moves forward. Yay! It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. And I press 5, the sensor doesn't work very long. I've noticed this, hence why it crashed into a fence. So if I turn 3, you'll hear it. It should turn a little bit. Okay, 6. So it's turning pretty well. It's on mud, but you get the idea. I'd rather it on mud than going to the fence. And then we do 4. 4 needs a bit more power. It doesn't move over enough. It should change a little bit more. And then we've got 8. So if we put that back in reverse and we put it on 8, they're kind of trying to go backwards. It's like the power bit. See, it's trying to go, but it's very small. Then we put it back into 0. Come on, 0. And then if we press forward, whoa, 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 there it goes. Oh, hang on, oh, crap. Stop. I didn't need that anyway. This is the thing about safety driving. Oh, what have I done to son's flower pot? Oh, it's all right. Saved. The plant looks dead anyway. So it's kind of, remote. Oh, it's kind of controlled with the remote. Yay! Oh, not towards, no, not towards the sun's goal. No, stop. Oh. Right, I class that as a successful test.